it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Well, another lift video. I guess I paid an awful lot for it. I might as well take a lot of videos of it, right? I've got some requests to show how putting a riding mower or a Kubota tractor would go on this. The Kubota, I've got doing other things right now, but I've got the Husqvarna riding mower with a snowplow on it. I'll go ahead and pull it on here. We'll raise it up and we can take a look at that real quick. So for those of you who requested how well this thing works with riding mowers, we're about to find out because I've got it lined up and I drove it in here just to see if it would clear that snowplow, and it looks like it will, but let's find out. Well, a little bit of a shaky first try, but it's on there. Let's go ahead and raise it up and see how it works. Hey, that looks a little better, doesn't it? So here it is at normal height. I'd say if I wanted to do an oil change or do some work on the muffler or exhaust or tune-ups, that kind of stuff, great. But I can go the rest of the way up and get a look underneath this thing. So let's do that. Let me raise the camera here. So that's that. Let's see how the camera looks now. Oh yeah, you still got it all in play here. So check that out, huh? How's that for height, right? Get the tires. This is what I really like this for. Lots of clearance here with the deck off. I can get to all the belts, the pulleys, anything I need to get to now is going to be so much easier. I can do trans drain to fill. There's the drain plug. I can put a bucket up under here right in between. No problem there. I've got access to just about everything. Here's my steering gear, pulleys. If I needed to replace the electric and clutch, I could do that. Heck, even if I wanted to drop the deck or put the deck on, I could have this thing on here, lay the deck on top, put it up in the air to make it a lot easier so I don't have to be underneath. And let's not forget this. I can crawl right up in this thing. Right, so even though this thing has some bars in the middle, I've got plenty of room here. I can get right up to this stuff if for some reason I need to get in the middle of it, and it's completely safe to do so. So yeah, y'all got to watch that live for the first time. We got to see how this thing all played out. Obviously, with the chains on there, she didn't want to really grip and come up onto it. But with a little bit of repositioning and a little bit of motivation, in other words, a leap of faith by just flooring it, we were able to pop right up on here and didn't really have a problem. And you won't see that on many videos on YouTube, right? Creative editing could get rid of that, but I'm going to leave that in here. That's it. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Obviously, you know I love my garden tractors and my tractor videos and tractor stuff. So to that end, I love picking up these things when they're 50 or 60 bucks and putting money into them, fixing them up. This will make that a whole lot easier. Again, like we talked about with my back working on cars, I'm getting too old for this stuff. So here's an opportunity for me to make things a little easier. I'll go ahead and let this thing back down and the credits will roll. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, maybe you'll think about liking and subscribing. And if you have any questions on the Harbor Freight scissor lift, please feel free to give me an email or send me a message. I'll see if I can get back to you. Take care.
Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint.